though. 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 No, I can't use this screen. So it's a shame though. I wonder if I can pop that out. Yeah, I can. Let's just do that then. And change this. Back to, oh, that's this. I don't think I want that one. Or maybe I do. Is that doesn't have me talking? Yes, it does. It's this one. The creator. Fucking hell, I can't believe I didn't realise. But then I don't need that because it has got chat in it, but you can't see me. So, I've been playing around with this, messing about, pissing myself off. This is the latest version of CBM Program Studio. I think it's version Beta 8. Yep. And they've included the debugger bit in here now. Fixed pretty much everything. There's a couple of Windows 11 issues, but it is what it is. And I think he said he's going to look at the next development to do Windows 11. So the problem I've got is when we get to the bottom here, when these come across, one disappears. So I'm going, and yeah, I can't figure that out. I've been looking and looking and looking, and so I'm actually just going to destroy it all. Because I had MSBs flying around everywhere, the most significant bits for the sprites, and I'm going to do how I used to do, how I did it earlier in the title screen, and just do one ghost. So I don't need any of these. We know Pacman works. So this is all the bottom stuff. See, we've got another change load, and I was like, I couldn't figure it out for the life of me. I was going around in circles, and yeah, it was horrible. So this is fine. I think I need to put bottom ghosts in here, and then it will come back, and it should have just deleted everything. Oh, so it might just be that I don't need to do anything. Top part. Bottom part. Oh no, so this is all part of the loop, I think. I think that's fine. Yeah, this was very thin. He's made this thicker. He's given us the ability to colour the this is AJ, I mean. So this is definitely an RTS. But I think I've got this. Let's try that. Probably shouldn't have deleted the whole lot, but it's compiled. So I'm only expecting to see Pacman come across now. Oh no, he's not even doing that. And I'm using, I think, 3.6 now for WinVice. Yep. Okay. So it might be then I'm going to, we'll scrap it all. So we've got this is a bit that happens on the bottom part, so yeah, I'm just going to start off again clean. Hey Faze, Prince, I mean. Oh, did you? I may have missed that if it was fairly recent. Let me just quickly check. Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think even Windows reports it because Windows doesn't yeah, it does. You're absolutely right. I hadn't seen that screenshot. I've got it to trust stuff, so yeah, that all makes sense now. I think Windows reports it as a because it's a new file, it's not known to them. You have to do something to bypass it. So thank you for that. Right, so I'm going to, I think, oh, maybe I won't. Animate, okay, I think I'm going to stop it up to here and just delete that. And then I've got the animate power pill. Oh shit. I must have deleted it. Yeah, that was me being stupid then. So we need to delete those two. I know the PowerPoint power pill is fine. We're deleting from here. Down to here. And that will then work. Hope. We should just have a power pill going in and out, changing colour. Speed it up. That looks right. Maximum speed. Oh, that's new. Didn't know that. Goes white. It goes dark. So we've obviously got something that shows. Okay. So that's a power pill. Power pill. Power pill. How is it put in pack? Hey Gary! So that's the PowerPoint to start it off. How does that... Oh! No. I must put Pacman down there somewhere. Although I don't know why I would put him there. Where the fuck have I put him? Okay, so that's... SPOY, when there's an SPOX anywhere. How have I got him? Oh, thank you. They won't learn anything off me. They could come on for a bit of entertainment, mind. Right, so... Okay, so we've got... So I've got Pat Title X. I have a D000 here. That's not right. Oh, hang on, this is under the ghosts. Dynamic bloody code, it's horrible. I should annotate more. A lot more. So that's the ghosts in the top. The chuff do I put? Oh, goddamn mother. I just... Oh. I found an issue with this one, but it's not a showstopper. In that it creates a second PRG file for this. So, top ghosts. That's already gone past that. How did that get there? See, it's already there. So it's before that. Where is the code? Okay, no, it's not that one. So when is the 10 points? What's that called? 10 points. PowerPoint text. It's something to do with when he does that. Okay. So I now need to find C302. What's it under? PP text loop. Ah. So it's here. So I need to pause it here and then step it through. Oh, it's already gone past 10 points. It'll be doing the next one. Dot point text, is it? Yeah. So it's this one. It's about to do. So I can run that until it gets to there. So we've got dot. Pacman's still here. It's not this. RDXOB 8, 9 AB. It's down to 30. FE. Oh, this is some sort of time delay. Okay, let's stop it at this point. There we go. So we can still follow it from here. 1586. It's under title screen. So pack title. Okay, pack title PP. That's just putting the dot on the screen somewhere over here. So what I'll do is I'll store it to there, press F11, we've got the dot. Now this is going to move, oh, that's going to move that up to here. Yep. Oh. Oh. That's at the MSB. That's at the MSB, so it's still come on, where is it? Let me see it. Oh, right, so that is now set to 00 with a 1. So really what I need to do is set that right now to somewhere way over here. So let's set that at Jesus, what is it? Hey Phoebes! It's going okay. I'm just stuck with nerdy stuff. How did you get on? How was your Christmas? We did do extra food just in case, but we figured by the time we ate it all, you weren't coming. So that's what's pushing it over to the MSB. So I need to set yeah, well, we always do. We always do a lot of food, and I did say I'd keep it open. We did a ham and a turkey, and my son left, I think, the following day anyway. So well, honestly, yeah, it is no bother. But I just wasn't sure. Oh, you're joking! Fucking hell. So we are setting the MSB. I've set the MSB. So it's done at the top of the thing, right? Okay. So it is. Really, Xmas was brilliant. Christmas is always great. I got a fridge for my daughter. I got a load of good stuff. I need to have a load of shit, but it's all good. I've got a pinball machine to make up. I've got a Ferrari which I have to make, and that's a remote control. Her car is just her house has just been surveyed today. We've got an in-depth survey done. So we've got to wait. I think they said 12 working days, so say 3 weeks before we get a report to find out what it's like. But yeah, she's currently in Lanzarote on Hollybobs. So with her, I think it's her best friend. So I need to it's 255, it's 320. It's 255 plus 320 pixels. 255 plus 320. So 255 plus 80 is 230, is 330, plus 24 from the left, so say 350. So I want a value of at least 150. 150 is 8, 9? 128, 138, yeah, 9? It's close. 9.6. And we're going to store that in SPOX. I could just run this now. Yeah, my daughter's got me a brilliant fridge. So holds I think 20 cans. My wife got me Oculus Quest 2, which is brilliant because I've got both these desktops in my Oculus Quest. It's just huge. Did you get anything nice? Apart from a lip piercing? I'm guessing it's just a hoop. Or a hoop with a ball on it, perhaps. Right, so should get that up here, and now no Pacman. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant. Now, what I do need... Okay. I did ask about your ring in your lip, what it was, your piercing, whether it was a hoop or hoop with a ball. I'm guessing that's what you'd go for. Can't Can't imagine you just going for a straight up piercing, but who knows. Pack Title X is 5E. That's what I really need to chuck it in. Let's do it in that. Because then at least that's in the right starting point, and then we flip it to the other side. Two balls. Oh, okay. Nothing like getting a couple of balls in your mouth, eh? In the middle. That'll take some time getting used to. Yeah. Let me think. So we've got it in the right place. So let's just get Pacman. Actually, let's get Pacman animating as well. So when we get to the top raster, then we've got the scroll, and then we have so that's the end, so we don't have to worry about anything else. And let's just go JSR animate pack title. So don't need to worry about any of that. So what's going to happen? We're going to come back from it. Oh, and the other thing I need to check is we've got what's pack title X? Okay, so I don't need that. That's okay. That this is from when we were going straight into the game. I don't need that. This is setting up the ghosts, setting up the Y. But because okay, no, I think if I move that, it will go a bit wrong. Although I'm unsure why. I think I probably could put that in here. I don't need that. Let me quickly just check. I don't want to cause a problem. Yeah, see, it is there. So what I could do no, I need it in here. Because when I come around to redoing the game, when game finishes, we go back into this, we need to reset that, because at the top they are not. The very first part, the ghost will be on the left and Pac will be on the right. So let's set that up actually. I think that'll be okay. Oh, bollocks. Okay, so we don't have them. We don't. Oh, wrong, wrong. So Pac doesn't appear. He is over here. And that will happen. That should happen now when they restart it. So now Pacman needs to move. So what is it? So we've decreased the X. We're comparing that with $FF because when it gets to 0 at the F, it will decrease it. At FF, hasn't moved the sprite, but we will be comparing against that, which means we now know it's changed MSB. So that will now be up here. And that'll be exactly what we did at the top, but it will be an AND. But we don't want to affect the ghosts. So we're going to AND this, because a logical AND doesn't, well, if it's 1, won't change anything. We only want to affect that one. And if the ghosts are set or they're not set, that AND will either keep them set or keep them unset. That's all I need. Now do you know what? I need to check. Because I thought an RTS after a B&E or BEQ took you back, but it might not. And I've forgotten. My book must be up there. It's not there. Oh no, that's kick. Ooh. No. Oh. Oh, it's really not up here either. Oh, that's annoying. See, nobody listens to me, so oh, here it is. They wouldn't know what I was actually asking them. BQ. What happens when you return from a BEQ? It doesn't say. No, 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 no. Well, I guess I can do no STA. Oh, that's interesting. So no, we need to LDX CPX, and then store X in there because A will be different. No. Let's just try that. Oh, an error. Ooh. Where's the error? Oh, fucking hell, I've done it again. When will I ever learn? It's a percent. That will pause it at the right point. Oh, that's interesting. Where is... Here he is. Scootling along. 5E. Fuck me, that's amazing. I stopped at a 0-1. So next one will be, there he is, FF. So at the moment the X position is 100. That's equal. So we're going to change that. Take it off. Ah, no, see that didn't go. That didn't go. X is still FF, so I need to. It doesn't return. RTS doesn't return after a B and E, a BEQ or anything like that. So this will be a cont animate pack title. This will be a jump. So that will bring it back. Then it will store X. That should just then keep going. No. Now. So that should just come over, and then we're going to get it to stop there. Brilliant. So we're storing it, and then what we need to do what I also need to do is change that. That will be set to a 1. So when we've changed that, we need to LDA hash dot change that to a 0. DC that is an easier way of doing it. And then so this is so we're going to load Otherwise, this is end animate pack title. So we are going to, so we've checked to see if it is 0. Then we're going to just check where is it? C285. C285. This is one of the problems you get with this program in Windows 11, in that you can change the colour completely fine. Oh, I haven't checked somewhere else actually. Let me just try it in here. Change it to white, save it, close it, reopen it, it's back to black again. No. Don't know why that's a Windows 11 thing, but it works fine on AJ's. So C285. Oh, I found something else out. I didn't know you can change the base address, but in here no. Oh, it's in the main bit. It's in these options, I think. Yeah, look, screen address 49152. Click OK. It's set. So now if I go into here, it should pick that up. You see the base address has changed. Makes everything so much easier to figure out. I didn't know that until I was beta testing it, and I asked AJ about it because it's already in there. C285. C285 there. That's this square here. So that means I now know it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 24. 5 8s are 40, 60. 5 8s are 40, 64. So I need to compare that against 64 in hex, in decimal. 64 in decimal in hex is 4. Oh, it's 40, isn't it? I think. Yep. Oh, I wonder. One equals move left. 2 equals move right. So I can let's do that, because then that will give me the ability to change the phase, change the thing further up in the code. So I need to do that. This will be LDA $. Right, so that will bring that out. So at the beginning, that will be down here, which will be an RTS, and then we'll see you can see what that's oh, you can deal with that bit in a minute. So I'm hoping, no, that won't work. I'm hoping it will move to the left and stop at the power pill. I might have to adjust it so it's over the power pill. And if it is over the power pill, just once we've adjusted it, we'll get I need to alter that. No, I don't. It's not happening. That's because I've not set that. And I've said 1 is move left, 2 is move right. And in here, I need to find, there it is. So that's the only one, isn't it? I hope. Yeah. I've not done it in here, have I? Okay. Although I think that will need to be in oh, I wonder. I have to check. No. I'll come back to that. I think that's wrong in the title screen. In the startup bit, I think I need to do anyway. There's one. Now he should be coming across, which he is. I'm going to make it go one more. At least it stopped as well. We'll make it go one more. So that'll be, let's make it go 2 more. 3E. We're going to change it to phase 2, but we also need to grab this and put that in there. And that will not be a 3C, it will be a space, which is 0, 0. And that will give it the impression it's here. And then we will also change pack to be C3F8. C3F8. So that'll be in here as well. Oops. Oh, Phoebe. Should never gone. We should have gone out on that bloody motorbike ride. I'm down riding mine down south to Bath next week. About 240 miles. Just gone to see my dad because he's got chemo on Wednesday, so I've got to drive him there, but give the bike a good stretch. I've also bought some hand mittens to put over the handlebars, just like a courier, but it does keep your hand toasty warm, especially with the heated grips. So 8E, 8E, 8E is that. 8E, 8F, 90, 90, 90. But that will actually, this will change because we'll be doing an animating one. At the moment this is just purely the movement. So that should now go across the left, eat the pill, and then turn around. There we go, he's eating it, ready, he's chasing the ghost. So, now I'm not sure if I can use where's my animate? Pack uses a table to animate. Here. Anim. Oh no, it's not that. It's under here. That would be stupid of me. Don't know why I would have done that, but oh yeah. Oh no. So it's going to be dynamic. I just realised I wrote this so that everything is dynamic on this. That's what's under him. This is where we go up and down, left and right. Oh my god, this is a nightmare. How am I ever going to understand that? It's not there. It's really not there. Okay, here we go. Right, so we've got up, down, left, right. don't reset. Oh, it's here. Yeah, I can't use that, can I? This is the bit that does the animation. This is reading. This is reading the table and sticking it on into the pointer value. So I can't use it. Now what can I do? We do have a frame counter. I'm sure I've seen it counting down. That's the top. Okay, that's it leaving. Okay. I thought there was a frame. I don't see it. Where am I? Don't want to use another bloody one if I don't need to. No. Although I'm convinced there is one. Because I'm sure something counts down. No, maybe not. Okay. There's nothing else counting down. Okay. So, that'll be set to 0. probably should, anyway, save a byte or two in the end if I need to. So that will happen. So what we'll do is here goes to start. This is the start of it, so we'll load it's not 60, it's 3D, no, C, DEF 0, that should be 60. That goes into there. If it's equal, we will then reset it to be 0. No. That one. So that will give us a 60 count. We're using wine here. Where? Oh, there. That's okay. That's okay. But we're not down here. Oh, that's because it's back into the talk about inside the. Yeah, so we're talking about inside this bit. I can use that. I can reuse that. See what the breaking news is. So that's what we're going to be increasing at the top of the title loop. Um, There's still in there, so if I and otherwise it'll be ink. This one. So that now gives me an increasing. Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I've increased it, that does the reset. So we'll do it 6, because there's only 5 frames. We'll have increased it, so we need to reset it at 6 back to 0. And now we should be able to, in here, right here, we can probably do it here. Yeah. Actually, that can be an LDX as well. We're okay. LDA, and it's pack moving left, isn't it? Pack left anim. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Yeah, my mistake. It's 4, which means I need to alter that to be 5. I've got it down here somewhere. That'll animate. I just need to alter those numbers. Need to alter those numbers. Or did I do it at the top? Yes, I did. That's 5, not 6. So let's see if that works. I'm expecting Pacman to be running across, and the title, brilliant. No $sign. Interesting. Yeah, I wonder why he's doing that. funny, isn't it? As soon as I do one thing, it breaks something else. Oh no, here we go. It is, that's why. I couldn't use X again, because it's picking it up here. That was me being a pleb. Oh, I know what I've done. I've done it again, haven't I? I put 5 and not 4. It's 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Fucking, do you know what? It's the bane of my life for getting 0. So the 2 things I've done wrong. But this won't flip it now. He's eating. It's very quick. I don't know if... Do you know what? I've never got on with that. I've never sussed it out. Compare every so that would make it want to frame at frame 61. That was stupid. Of course it won't. It didn't work that time because it was 60 frames, and I have to check on 61. Right, we'll leave it for the moment, because all I need to do now is for the reverse. Is to the exact opposite. So it'll be an increase. Check to see if it's got to 0. Title right MSB. So this will be a 1. Don't need to check that, because we've eaten the power pill. Ooh, I might not need to increase it now. Yeah, we will. Because what I'll do here is what will I do? Want to check that it's at a certain place, X point, and then check that the MSB is set, and if it is, just return. Which I can do here. Which will be don't think it's that one. 96 plus 255. Let's go 70. That's an RTS. That is a jump to so we are, when it's coming to the right, we're increasing it, we're loading it, seeing if it's got the MSB. If it is at the MSB, it will go to here. We set the MSB. We've included the, oh no, that should be an OR. Only interested in the pack at the moment. Store it. We increase the pack title MSB, and then we carry on. Here we store it, do the light frame check, and finish. If we are not at the MSB, we're checking for 70. If it's not 70, it will just jump to here anyway. If it is at 70, it's going to check. We're going to check the LSB. If the LSB is set to 1 and it's 70, we want no more right title animation, which is a return, otherwise it will go back to here. And I think that should be right any frame. I think that's the only change. I think that might work. Oh no. Here he comes. Eating it. Now he's chasing them back. Ugh, fucking hell. Not what we wanted. Oh, I know why. Here. We need, oopsie, we need to put a DEC. We need to decrease it, because that would have gone from 70, it was still increased to 71, therefore it's no longer, I could have done a branch of plus. Maybe I could still do that. Ugh. I've done it in the wrong place. Yeah, it's where it needs to be. If we run it, I'll be able to see where it goes up to. Oh. So we could do that as 60 and bonsoir. Oh, hang on, let me turn you up. Hello. Oh, not as far as I'm aware of, but I'll have a check. Beaucoup. Revoir. Is there a problem with the Plex server? She's asked. It wasn't earlier. Oops. Comes along, eats it. There you go. Press F1. Whoops. Press F1. Get a credit. F7. That's something I now need to. There's something that gets bled into that. What's your problem with it? Oh, this can't be found. What were you trying to... Which one?
I was trying to play the wedding date.
Oh, because we lost the disc, that's all.
Oh, right, probably on that disc then.
It could be.
Media on the way.
Oh, then it will be on that disc. Okay. The wedding date?
Yeah.
And what else?
Twilight.
I'll sort them out for you. Alright, try and bye. Okay. Jeepers. Alright, that's sorted out. That seems to work fine. So ghosts. Ghosts on the top are fine. So, I think I called it bottom before, didn't I? So we are okay, that's for the scroll. So the lower part. So we now know that I do have these so okay. I don't know why that's set there now. Oh, that's my. Oh no, that is Pacman. So I've got them in here. So the first thing I want to do that gets them all onto the X position. Now we are going to, at the beginning of each go, they will always have their MSB set. 11110, and then we will determine whether they actually still need to be set. And then the Y should be the same. Yeah, it is Ghost title Y. Oh. E1. Don't think that's right. Two, three, four. I just don't think that's right. Oops. I think I'll be calling it a day after this. So Pac is there. Oh, drawn. Pretty good, thanks fella. You come at a late time, but I think I might be oh, that's annoying. So the ghosts are there, but I don't see them over here. Oh no, they are there. Yeah, they're at 180, 190, 1A and 1B. And that's close to 60, so there'll be 20 pixels in between. So they are there. So then I should be able to do something really simple just to get them moving. Won't be anything special, but at least we'll prove they're in the right line. What's the temperature out there? It's boiling in here. It's 1.5 degrees and the window's open. I'm still hot. Yeah, I've rewritten this bit. Oh, there's the ghosts. Perfect. So they are in line. Brilliant. Okay. So so what we're going to do is we'll save reloading it by getting it to do that first. Then we can load it. And this is all going to happen down here now. Oopsie, don't know what's happened there. Right, so that's going to be moved to here. 2, 3, 4. Oops. So so we've decreased them. We can compare. That'll be 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. So we can do that. Okay, that will save some. Okay. So change goes to MSB will be that. That'll be an and it will be that. And then we will jump to here, which means goes 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, cont, that's goes to 4, goes 3, oh, really? Why? Oh yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yeah, there was a yeah, I know why. Because it's the counter for the exposition. But when it gets to 0, also, I watched Ghostbusters Afterlife yesterday. Last night, very good. You will, if you like the original, Looks really good. It's got a great nod to Eon. Right, so that should change the MSB. But then after it's done it once, carry on decreasing. It won't go back, but I think that's what I need. I know it's I confuse myself. I've unlit this every day. I get really I struggle. Right, so no ghosts. Fucking excellent. There they are. Oh, that's fucking stupid. The ghosts are never going to move. Right, these are in the wrong place. I can put them. They're always going to go back to here, which means I could put them here. No, that won't work. So what I need to do, that needs to be an X. Now I can do it. Because I'm using the accumulator where I changed the MSB. I'm loading it here, doing an AND, shoving it back. Whereas if I use X, I'm never altering X. So then once I've done all the shit, I can store it. Yeah, I can store it into the SP1X, into the X position for each of the sprites, and I'm not having to reuse, I'll not do another loading. I think that makes sense in my head. So I think we should get them moving now. Fucking twats. Twatty bollocks. What have I not done right? I've handed it. I want to... No, that's right. I should set each one of them to be 0. So I turn it on. I decrease. Oh, it's because of that. It's because of that. It's because so I need to set that before I go into that permanent loop. The problem is I have to reset it. This is okay. Okay. Okay, I need to just do it slightly differently. Code is similar, but it's not quite there. I think that's why I put in some constants that I need to refer to. This one. These will be set to so I will be setting them to be 1. These are set to be 1, here they are. So what I need to do is do something slightly different. Is I need to oopsie, and at that point I will load okay, so I need to do the same here, here and here. Oh. And that will be 4, 3, 2 and 1. So when it does need to change, we will set that flag to be 0. When will that get changed? When it's equal to FF. Yeah, that is what I need. So so that's 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we will set the MSB. Where have I put it? Might have changed it. Maybe I didn't, or maybe I cut it and didn't paste it. Right, so change go. Go slow apart is here. That sets the ghosts to be most significant. We load the ghost title 1. It's either a 1 or a 0. If it's a 1, it will just carry on. It will carry on, carry on, carry on. And then go to so if it's not set, it will ignore all those, decrease, load them, do the MS bit if it needs to. Now if it is set, so it's going to jump, it's going to miss a load of stuff out because of the... So what I need to do is I need to do this again. I love you, Don. Need to do them here, and this is the extra one. So that's going to be X, 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 X. I've just lost the reason why I was doing this. I do know it, but it's gone blank. My mind is blank. Because I need it to go to 2 different places when it does it. So the first one's checking that it's been changed. Then I need it always to come back. Okay, that'll do it. So when it first comes in, it's going to set them to be most significant. We're then going to get the, if it's actually set, if it is set, it will reset it back, and then it will go around daisy chain around the other 4, because it could be a chance of where 1 isn't and 4 is. Then it will decrease everything, and then it will check for the hang on, check ghost 1. It will go down to here. It will load X, see if it's FF. If it is, it will reset. It will set the MSB. That's the only time it should ever set the MSB. I hope. Fucking hell. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't, I'm still going to go to bed. Done it again. Percent. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job it failed there anyway. Holy fuck, look at that. Get in there. No, it won't work. First time I've ever had that working like that. That's alright. So, what I need it to do is to check PAX phase. And that's the first thing I need it to do. Which is, there it is, go to lower parts. So the very first thing I need it to do, before anything, is load that. That will be jump, reverse, ghost, ghosts are now being chased by pack. And that could be an RTS for the moment. That won't work. So I think now when Pacman eats the ghost, eats the pill, the ghost will stop moving. Oh, that'll do. It just means it's not doing the ghost routine anymore. And I've not reset it after, because it's on a raster, so I'm getting 9 sprites on the screen at once. And that all sounds, that's working, isn't it? So hardly the god, I'm doing only 9 sprites. That's it. And it's been hard enough. This has taken 3 rewrites to get going. That's the first time I've ever had that MSB shit working right. But yeah, I'm hardly the god. I've been looking at your hunchback shit, and that is just mind-boggling. It's ridiculous. because any sprite can be any character at any time. And that's what I've seen. It's like it's no set sprite is a set character. They all look the same, but not for me. So I need to so this is where they come in. So I'm going to basically emulate this again. And we except this time what? Oh, you're doing tracks. You should use sprites. Well, I suppose it doesn't matter really, does it? I would certainly do at least to do the conversion. Get the conversion running right as it was in the VIC-20, but you know, using characters. But then I would absolutely say change them to sprites because it'll look nicer and you'll learn a little bit more. Because I've struggled with sprites. I'm fairly comfortable with them now. I'm more comfortable than they used to be, that's for sure. My biggest problem I ever had with the sprite was getting it to keep to the X and Y's correctly. And so I've, with my limited knowledge, I've just worked around it. It doesn't mean that it's the best way, but it's a way that at the moment works. Now, from memory, the way John and Shannon do it, well, actually, that's not true. I think it's because mine's restricted to certain lanes, left and right. When you've got an open platform, it's less of an issue, and I do know how to convert a sprite to its X and Y value, so we can see what's under it. I do understand that. I figured that out when I did Jet Fighter, the bomber from Cascade. But that was like 4 rewrites to get that in my head right. And I think it was a video from Shannon I saw, and then I think John did it, and then it sunk in a lot more, and now I can just do it in my head now. So, but I would certainly utilise the C64 capabilities to make it a bit more special. Otherwise, you were saying you're only using 8 colours, or I think that's what the VIC-20 had. No. Oh wow. Wow. Just a bit of shit on the news. Oh. Um, yeah, sound. Well, yeah, sound is a bit of a juggle. But do you know what? If you went through the the program reference guide, you can get basic sounds working just by loading those values into the right places. I have something I need to ask you guys, and that is, well, it's actually a statement really, and it's something that I've been troubling over a couple of nights now. 70% of this Earth is covered in water. Yeah, you know, the sea, and that's water, and none of that sea is carbonated. So surely that means it's flat Earth. Where's the tumbleweed? Anyway, it's not fizzy. You know, it's not carbonated, is it? If 70% of the Earth is covered in water, and that water's flat, i.e. it's not fizzy, surely that's a flat Earth. Yep. Ah, well. Never mind. I had another one as well. I actually made my wife laugh at it, but I can't remember it. Oh, it's not on here. I need to make them get closer as well. Yeah, I've got to do that, but that means I have to do something a bit odd. Yeah. Yeah. And that's a bit odd, and I'm like, oh god. And I know roughly how I can do that now. He does, absolutely does. I haven't done the ghost just changed colour. I haven't done that bit yet, but he will do, and then he will be faster than the ghost. But I haven't even got the ghost slowing down yet. I just need to. I'm just trying to get this bit right, and then I come into the finer stuff later. I think I said earlier, this is the first time I've ever had the ghosts, all four of them, going across the screen, and then I've never had them go back. I've never had 9 sprites on the screen at once, so this is I'm in uncharted territory at the moment. Fucking twat. I don't know why they go off. But at least I fixed that bit. The pack doesn't go around and around, so the phase gets changed. So in the loop, this is, well, here it is. Right, so we're animating the title, then we animate the ghost lower part. Yeah, was there a way I can... Oh, have I really done that? Yeah, I'm a fucking bellend. I'm so... Oh, thanks. Yeah. See, I don't even have the, yeah, none of that fancy shit. Although I've got my NAS running. Oh! I never had that box. I've got a NAS running now, using Open Media Vault. Maybe I shouldn't even do that for the moment. Why overly complicate things? Open Media Vault is brilliant, but I had ordered a second case. I need to go to the toilet. Oh, ouch, ouch. Um, Something else I noticed with, I think, the last two beta versions, does your debugger automatically load and run the program? Oopsie. Actually, there's something else I want to show you about the debugger, which I can't figure out. I can't figure out how to get this screen with the memory locations here. So you have to reset it and then Control L it again for it to load in. But yeah, I can't find this screen. If I go Control F1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nothing else works. Control Shift. Oh, that wasn't there before. Oh well, maybe it is. It is that. Okay. I wasn't doing it. I forgot I needed to do it. Then they'll disappear there. That's fine. Right. I am using beta 8. Now I had originally beta 6 and it would work. I have this stuff in it, but he then said he'll put that in automatically, which he has done. Did it for 7 and 8, and I just don't get it to auto jump into the game, into the program, and I'm not sure why. I just don't get it to. I just cannot get it to auto start. It loads it, all the code's there. Debugger just won't. It's like it's not releasing it. Because when you do a reboot and then load it, it works. Oh, I'll tell you what. Oh, I wonder if it was about the screen. Was if I ran it directly. I even backdated the debugger. See, look, that's not loading. I wonder if it's the debugger. It's got to be something else. Wonder where it gets its information from. How does that know? Yeah, I think I was because I was doing it 2 or 3 times. How does this know where to pick up the file from? There must be a config file for it somewhere. I've never looked for one. Nothing in there that I can see. NMS. Oh my god, have you seen that? CFAX is back. Completely going off topic now. I found out last night CFAX has returned. Somebody's written it. NMS? Yeah, NMS CFAX, here we go. Look at that! News headlines. Goes round. It's brilliant. 360 for Formula 1. And it's all today's news. Oh, I forgot what it might be. Oh yeah, that's right. Unbelievable. Yeah, I have no idea where the debugger software holds its. Oh, look at that. Let's do that. Let's try that. I know it's in there. Oops, that's not right. No. Oh. Yeah, it's like it just gets stuck. That means I'm guessing that's the file's now just been recreated. No? So if I go into here, Right, so that appears to be working okay. Let's set that to there. That's something he needs to fix. See, none of these have initialized. So that's definitely reset it right. Now does it pass off the program? So it knows about the program now. So I wonder if it's auto jump. Yeah, so it's minus weight 2500. See, look, that's just going mental. Control Shift reset, then load. It's fine. I can't figure that out. This was working. Oh fuck, it's not that one. It's the time. It's the time that you need to change. There it is. So let's put that back in and tell AJ if that fixes it. Crazy. Hope that's it. There we go. Okay, brilliant. So I could probably change that to 4,000, I think. Let's try again. Oh, yeah, there's 3,000 then. You can make it conservative at 5, but people can adjust it if they didn't want to do that, wanted to do that. Yeah, 3,000 is fine. Brilliant. Okay, I'm going to call it a night. I'm tired and I've got distracted, but I'm happy with what I've done. I'm going to do the next one, which will be the ghost going all the way, and then I'm going to do fractions. And by fractions, I'm going to be increasing another counter, which will then spill over with the carry into the actual counter I want. And I will be increasing the counter, the fractions counter, rather than the other one, but the system will be loading the correct one. So I don't have to do much changing apart from incrementing it where it says Sprite 1X, calling it something completely different and just making sure they relate to each other. That's how I believe the fractions work. So that's what I'm intending to do. So happy evening, enjoy your weekend, and I will catch you soon. Cheerio.